Come on. Wow.
Welcome back. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. At that time, your shoulder harnesses will automatically release. Please gather up all belongings and exit to the right and center of the station. Once again, the exit is to the right and center of the station. Thank you for riding the Sea Serpent and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers. New riders, please carefully enter the train and place all loose articles, including cell phones, in the bags on the far side of the platform. Then reach up and pull down on your shoulder harness. Please be careful stepping into and out of the train.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back on the Sea Serpent. Unfortunately, there was a critical mistake that I made, and something that I learned for future excursions. Always clean your lens before you get on the ride. Vinny, are you ready? I don't know if you can see him, but hopefully the 360 keyframing will let you see him in the video. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, the Sea Serpent was my first roller coaster that I went on that went upside down. And it's forever stood as probably one of my favorite boomerangs to exist. And in 2020, they gave it new trains. So we're gonna be taking a spin on the Sea Serpent. Can't wait. All right, here we go, everyone.
Hold on, here we go. Please remain seated in your upright position and keep your arms and legs well inside the train at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride on the Sea Serpent.
Guests waiting in line, shoes are required on this ride. Please do not take off your shoes. While you are waiting, please prepare to place all loose articles, including cell phones and anything else into the loose article bag on the exit side of the platform. Morey, Piers, and its employees cannot be held responsible for any lost, stolen, or damaged items. If any loose article injures another guest, you will be held liable for their injury. Cell phones are not permitted to be used at any time during the ride. Again, please keep your shoes on no matter what type you are wearing. Thank you.
Slowly but surely climbing up, eyeing out the prize, the great white.
Great nor'easter to my right.
That's true. So what's cool about these Vekoma Boomerangs is that they can switch how fast it can be pulled up the lift and go up the second lift. This one likes to take its time. Yeah! Round two, coming back at you. Boomerang, it's coming back at you.
There you go.
Woohoo! Now if you look up, you see something cool. Wow! Don't try this at home, kids!
Welcome back. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. At that time, your shoulder harnesses will automatically
That was great!
Please gather up all
What'd you
belongings
think?
and exit to the right and center of the station. Once again, the exit is to the right and center of the station. Thank you for riding the Sea Serpent. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Pier.